Did you know you can make the most incredible crispy pork belly bites in just 20 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fact Bite Daily, where today we're firing up the grill for some serious barbecue magic. I'm talking about pork heaven on a plate, and it's so easy you won't believe it. First things first, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of pork belly, cut into nice bite-sized cubes. Now for the marinade that makes all the difference. Grab 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for that beautiful caramelization, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for a savory kick. Got all your ingredients? Perfect. Now, just toss everything together in a bowl. Get your hands in there, and make sure every single piece of pork belly is generously coated with that delicious marinade. We want all that flavor to soak right in. All right, let's head to the grill. You want to preheat it to a medium-high heat. Once it's hot, lay your pork belly cubes directly on the grates. You'll grill these for about 15 to 18 minutes, but the key is to turn them often. This ensures they cook evenly and get crispy on all sides without burning. Listen to that sizzle. Now for the best part. During the last 2 minutes of cooking, take that leftover marinade and brush it all over the pork belly bites. This is where the real magic happens. Watch closely as the sugar in the sauce caramelizes, creating a sticky, glossy, and absolutely irresistible glaze. The aroma is just incredible. Once they're done, take them off the grill and let them rest for just a couple of minutes. This is crucial for keeping them super juicy on the inside, while that exterior stays perfectly crispy. The contrast in texture is what makes these so addictive. And here's a pro tip for you. Try to cut your pork belly cubes into a uniform size. This ensures they all cook at the same rate, giving you that perfect, even crispiness on every single bite. No more half-burnt, half-soggy pieces. Seriously, these are better than any pork belly bites you'll get at a restaurant, and I have a feeling you'll be making them every single week. They're that good. Perfect for an appetizer, a main course, or just a delicious snack. So what are you waiting for? Fire up that grill tonight and give this recipe a try. If you make them, be sure to tag me in your pictures. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Bite Daily, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. See ya!